In this video, you will see a child who has autism practice building complete sentences using the Baby Birds activity. You will also see a child who is working on his language skills. Notice how one child is working on WH questions while the other child is building sentences. Even though each child is working on different goals, they are using the same activity to reach their objectives. It is fantastic.
Okay, Mason, I need you to get an egg, open it up, and find the mom bird, okay?
I did.
All right, so what color do you want? Oh, use your words.
Yellow.
Give me a big sentence.
I want to put
pick
in the yellow
egg.
egg.
Good job. All right, get the yellow egg. Now, what are you
Yellow.
going to do with this egg? What are you going to do? Say, let me.
Let me open
The. What color?
yellow
Egg.
egg.
Let me
Yellow.
open
The yellow
egg. Good job. All right, open it up. Let's see what's in there.
A
Oh, look at, what do you have? Is this a baby bird? What do you have? Tell me.
baby bird.
Yeah, say I.
I have a baby bird.
Good. Now, where's the mom?
Here.
Okay, so what are you going to tell the mom? Say,
Him
here's a
a eggs.
baby bird
Baby bird.
for you.
For you.
Good job. Nice work. I like how you did that. Okay, so we'll put that baby bird right here with his mom. Good work, Mason. Now, Micah, what do you want to do?
A blue egg.
Oh, tell me in a big sentence.
I want a blue egg.
You want to.
Open the blue egg.
Good job. Go ahead and get it. Now, Micah, oops. Let me hold this egg for just a minute. Where do birds lay their eggs? Where? Where do birds lay eggs?
When they.
Where? Are you thinking of a place?
1, 2,
Where do birds lay eggs?
5, and the nest.
Yes, good job. All right, open that up. Let's see what's in there.
Hey.
Oh.
Blue.
Tell Mason what you got. Tell him. Say, Mason.
Well, Mason. Look. A blue bird.
Oh, you got.
2 blue birds.
Nice. All right, now where is their mom?
Yes.
Yeah, there she is. All right. Good job. Put them in there. Nice work. All right, Mason, are you ready? Let's get another one. Oh, you didn't give me
Green.
a sentence. Oh, you need to give me a sentence.
What? And this one.
Oh, give me a big sentence. Thank you, Micah, for sitting down.
I want to
You want to what? Or you want to open, crack?
crack.
Good. So tell me,
I want to
to
crack a baby
what color?
green
Green.
egg.
Yes, good job, Mason. All right, crack it open. Let's see what's in there. All right, what do you have? What do you have?
Listen.
Do you know what kind of bird this is? Does anyone know? Peacock.
Peacock.
Yeah, so what do you have?
Peacock.
Is that a baby bird?
Yeah.
So tell me what you have.
A baby bird.
Tell me the whole thing. I
have
a what? What is that? Baby bird.
baby bird.
Oh, so what are you going to tell the mom? What are you going to say? Say, Mom,
Here you go.
here's
Yes. It's a baby
a baby
bird
for
you.
Yes, a baby bird for you. Good job. All right, Micah, I'm going to ask you some questions. So I want to know, how do you open an egg? How? What do you do? How do you open an egg?
Purple egg.
No, listen to my question. How do you open an egg? Do you throw it?
No.
Do you cut it? do you crack it? How do you open an egg?
Crack a purple egg.
You can crack it open. How do you open an egg? You
Crack it
open. Yeah, you crack it open. Good job. Now, why do you want that purple egg? Why?
because I want to see what's inside.
Oh, perfect. Good job. I like how you answered that question. Let's see what's. Oh my goodness.
Two flamingos.
Two flamingos. Now, who are they looking for? Who? Who are they looking for?
Mommy.
Their moms. Good job. All right, here we go. Let's bring their mom over here. And where are you going to put them? Where do they want to go? Are you thinking of a place?
In a nest.
Yes, good job. Nice work. All right, Mason, look, I've got one more for you. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, so tell me what you want to do.
I want to yo-yo.
Oh, no. Fix your sentence.
I want to. What's red color?
Do you know what color this is?
Orange.
All right, yep, it's orange. So tell me your sentence again. What do you want to do?
Yellow.
Oh, Micah, it's Mason's turn, so we're going to listen to him. Thank you. Tell me again, Mason.
I want to get a crack.
Open.
Open the
What color? The
orange egg.
Yes, good job. All right, here we go. Let's crack it open. Oh, what's in there? What do you have?
What's that?
Well, tell me what you have first. What is that?
Owl.
Oh, good. But is it a mom owl or a baby owl? What do you have?
A baby.
Good. So tell me all things. Say,
I want
I
have a
what? What is that?
a baby bird.
Yeah. What kind of bird is it? An owl, huh? A baby bird. Good job.
Owl.
Where are you going to put the baby bird?
And
Where?
I want to
I want to.
put the baby bird
Where?
in the
In.
and
In where? What is that, Micah? In the. Micah, can you help him? Where's he going to put it?
nest.
Good. Where are you going to put it, Mike Mason? In
A nest.
Good job. Oh, you guys did a terrific job. Thank you so much for finding all of the mommy birds. You did a great job today. Thank you.